PGT Innovations this morning. This is the first time we've ever actually had media come and witness the stringent codes around and the testing protocols for impact-resistant windows and doors. What you're going to witness is an impact test where we will literally shoot an object out of a cannon into one of our windows.
One is what's called a missile level C, which is a 4.5-pound 2x4 traveling at 40 feet per second. That's going to be really common in like Tampa area, Hillsborough, Manatee, and Bradenton. When you get down to Sarasota and south, they step up the requirement to a missile level D, and that's actually double the weight, a 9-pound 2x4, and it's traveling at a faster rate of speed, 25% faster, at 50 feet per second. What's required on this coast, even if you have that missile level D, is to take one shot and impact the glazing only. The Dade County requirements are much more stringent, and we're actually going to hit this product 3 times.
Also a cycling test, what's called a cycling test, and that's actually the hardest test to pass. The cycling test is positive and negative pressures applied to that window, simulating that of a hurricane.
Cycle is simply the application and the release of pressure, and we're going to do that 4,500 times in the positive direction. So you start with the most intense pressure in the negative sequence, trying to pull the product out of your home. Then we're going to flip the product around. At the end of all that, you can't have a substantial tear or a substantial hole of it in any way in this product. The very minimum requirement is 3 like specimens that get passed through this test. Our testing programs often go very far beyond that.
And then a water test. Obviously with hurricanes you get water, so we're going to show you the water test.
These nozzles are spraying 5 gallons per square foot per hour on the product. And that's an important note. That's more than any rainfall event ever recorded in the US. So we really saturate the product heavily with more water than it would receive in a storm. And then once we get that water going, we also apply a pressure to that product to really try to push the water through that product, and it'll find its way through even a pinhole leak. And the pass-fail criteria is that if even a drop of water crosses the very innermost point of this product, so basically if it touches this wood, it is a failure, even one single drop of water. Today, we're the nation's leading manufacturer of impact-resistant windows and doors.
We're an innovation company. We're constantly innovating, coming out with the latest and greatest products that protect you and your loved ones and your family.